Hello, Mad Yogi tribe. This is Eileen, your Mad Yogi, bringing you a new series, our Constellation Flows. Now, the Constellation Flows or the Constellation series is based on the different constellations of the zodiac. Now, there is no airy fairy or woo woo thing about this. I'm not going to be giving you your horoscopes, okay? But apart from I do love mythology, the constellations were already, as you know, are already a set of 12, and it made my life easier in designing these new flows. So based on each of the signs of the zodiac or the different constellations, you're going to have a full set of 24 flows. So we're going to have 12 full flows, and each of those flows, for example, the Aries, the Aries sequence has a full class of around 45 to 50 minutes, give and take. Some might run up to an hour. I'm not promising yet, but it's a longer flow, and it will also have a shorter component, which I call the tala salutations. Tala in Filipino means bright star, and I thought it really matches quite nicely with our sol flows, the sun flows, with our luna flows or the moon flows, the more sedate flows, yeah. The sun flows are the more energetic. The luna flows are the more quiet flows, and the tala flows are somewhere in between. And they span around 15 to 20 minutes. So you have a choice between a longer flow if you have more time, or a shorter one if you're lacking time, or if you want to just mix them up. The Tala salutations are a component of the longer sun sign or or constellation flow, but it's not just as if I edited it out and just created two from one shoot. Yeah, I do recommend that you start each pair of flows with the Tala flow first, with the Tala salutation, the shorter one, just to get you acquainted with the rhythm and with one component, one mini flow of the longer flow. But up to you, of course, as usual. I hope you enjoyed this new one. I am very excited to give it to you, and I will see you in our classes.